Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you go to your Waffle calendar. If you click on the date, it'll automatically select that when you make a new event. New event is up here. Now I'm not going to title mine conferences because I already made one and I don't want to confuse the two, so it's going to call new event. You need to be the attendee. See, it's already selected the date. You want it to be all day in 2 days, and it should automatically select the second day. Set a Teams meet. Okay, and hit send. Double click new event. Hold Control on your keyboard and click on meeting options. It opens up a new tab. You change it to only me and only me, just like with the kids. Click save. Go back. Right click your Join Microsoft Teams, copy link. Then you want to go to tinyURL. We'll go back. And you would copy and paste here. Click on Make tinyURL. And then this is your tinyURL here. Copy to clipboard, copies it. Go to your SchoolSoft account, and then you paste your tinyURL here. You click Submit. Once you do that, you should be able to drop down and see your 2 conference dates.